What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan, this is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today I'm going to show you how I made my mechanical switch. So this is the Lightswitch that I downloaded from Bamboo Labs online. Someone made this and allowed anyone to download this for free, so I thought this would look really good in my room, it being kind of spaceshipy. So first you have all your gears, your attachments. This will be the handle, the lever. This will turn the switch on and off, and little rivet buttons. Then we got the base. So we're going to see how long this takes to make. Well, we're going to start with that one. Okay, this take up to 4 hours and 34 minutes. It's going to build it just like that. Okay, then the base. Took up to 5 hours and 42 minutes. It's going to build it just like this. So altogether, we got about 10 hours and 15 minutes of print time. So let's get to it. Alright, now since we're done printing them, I already took off all the supports on it because it wasn't that much. But these are what all the parts look like. You have your base, you have your gear that sits in the middle there, you have your little slider, goes right in here, slides and turns the light switch up and on. Then you have your little connectors. These bars, your handle, and then the end pieces. So what I'm going to do first is paint them black with a base primer. So get it ready for paint, and then we're probably going to paint these metallic colors. So probably do the base a silver, and then probably some of the gears and lever like bronze looking color, so kind of give it a different look, and I think it's gonna look great after that. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm gonna be using this Rust-Oleum's paint and primer satin black. Probably do just a couple coats. I used some of these old 3D printing boxes to stand up the tiny pieces like that, and just use a little bit of painter's tape to stick up. And I can paint all the way around it, like that. Then I just stick a towel down here to hold that so I can spray around it. Like I said, we're just doing a couple layers, and then it should be ready to paint. Alright, let's go. Now since we got all these parts painted, the next step is to airbrush them, the metallic colors. So I'm going to keep this base kind of black. and I'm going to airbrush these little bolts everywhere, plus these little ones. I'm gonna airbrush them a metallic silver. I'm gonna keep everything else black, and I'm just gonna outline the edges with that wax silver to kind of give it like a worn out look. And then for this little gear, I'm going to paint this probably a bronze color, and then the rest of those pieces for the handle will probably be silver. So it'll kind of look like a dark handle with a silver handle with a bronze gear and a black base. So I think this will match my room pretty good, and I love how all this turned out, and I can't wait to see what it looks like after I'm done painting it. So let's get started. Now to finally put this together after it's all painted, and just for reference, just letting you know, you're gonna put this little gear thing in the middle, or actually go put the slider right in the middle right there, just like that. Put this in, put these pieces on both sides, connect these two pieces on both sides, and then this is your level, or handle will be down here, and then of course these will be at the ends. So I'll show you how I assembled it, and we'll start to put it in the wall. Okay, let's get to it. So finally got this done. Like I said, to assemble this, I had to put this little rail back in there first, and then screw it in, and then set the handle and the gear in place so that it would turn it off and on. But the only problem I have with this is kind of unavoidable, is when I push down, makes that horrible cracking sound. It's just barely hitting the top and turning it down, so it's not killing it or anything. So now I can turn on, off, on. So now I can also reach from there and then turn it off and on. So it's fine. It works. Looks like an awesome new addition to the game room. And this is the game room so far. So here are the switches from my previous video. One there, one there. I got two in the bathroom. And then this is my PC setup so far. In future videos, I am going to build a whole spaceship thing in here. So this whole side in here will be the front, and I'll have either screens or projector or something to make it look like a window looking out in space. And I don't know, I'll see what I want to do. And I'm going to turn this chair into a simulator for flight and driving, and it's going to be pretty much all in one thing. And this PC, right now I have my 3D printer right by this window, but I think I might move it over to the side over here and probably build a shelf on the corner right there. Sorry for the boxes, I'm still moving stuff around in here. So but yeah, all of it's coming together, and that switch is a nice little new addition to it. So alright, so there you go. So that's all for that video. Hopefully you guys liked my project and want to see more. Please let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more projects like this in the future. I really do appreciate everyone who's following me right now, so please continue to follow me and watch my stuff. I'm slowly building up my game room, so I'll try to send out as many videos as I can. So please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Peace.